This 2023 Forest River Forester 2401B is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Forest River Forester 2401B is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.